Hey, Real Sweet crew. Today I'm highlighting event number 2 on White Lake for the Michigan Kayak Trail 2019 tournament. You want to see my personal best in the kayak tournament and see how Mitch Sanders nailed some smallmouth? Stay tuned.
Such a beautiful day. Kayaking. Alright, so I just caught my personal best in the kayak tournament. Had my coffee with me, but it's getting cold, so I think that deserves a coffee. I'll tell you what, 19.5 inches, stud, probably 5 pounds. Holy mackerel, people. Stay tuned.
Okay, for me it was one of the best tournaments I've ever had on white. I was fishing a lot of soft plastics. It was 32 degrees out. I know I look like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, but look at this fish. Oh man, what a beast she was. I wish I had that on video. Pretty much was fishing a lot of soft plastics, trick worms, tubes, anything I could get away with, a Senko from time to time. Also trying some jerk baits just because of the time of year and how cold it was. Mitch Sanders got into the smallmouth. I'm going to highlight the rest of that at the end and the results, so stay tuned for that. I finished in what I thought was a respectable 43rd because I lost 2 fish the same size as that big one.
It's hogging out at Dog and Suds, showing them some kayak drive. So we're at Dog and Suds, Water Dog Outfitters, showing the kayak bass fishing community some love. There's the truck in the background. It's a really nice place to come and visit if you get a chance. They're supporting kayak bass fishing and just really nice guys. John and everybody down here will fix you up. Come on down, you can try it before you buy it on the water. Pretty cool. 2019 Michigan Kayak Trail Water Dog Outfitters, first place, third, and second. Very cool. Looks like these would be the trophies. White Lake kayak bass fishing.
Number 4, Bogdan, 83 3/4. Okay, number 3, Rob Baginski. All right. Rob. Alright, the moment everybody's been waiting for, 1 and 2 here. I'm gonna call you both up. John Mullen. Come on up. I got him. Holy cow. All right, so first place came out really tight, ended up being Tom Mullins. Oh wait, that check says Mitch Sanders. Mitch Sanders for first place. Sorry, Mitch, you had to mess me up for a minute. Mitch. Me and Mitch talked earlier this week. I told him, I said, man, I really want to give you one of these checks. And place check.
So you finally found somebody to put you on fish, huh?
I'm not worthy.
Oh, hey, let me give you guys the inches for first and second, too. Mitch Sanders, first place with 95.5 inches.
Nice.
Way to go, Mitch. He said he was Carolina rigging a Ned rig.
There you go.
Tom Mullins with 91 inches, even.
Hey, look this way. Gonna make
That came with a Yak Power. Hold on, let me tell you. Ultimate kit, yeah. Sorry, I totally messed that up. And a tough crate, yep. So, congratulations.
I gotta take your dad fishing. What's the smallies or largemouth? How'd you do it? How deep? 1 point.
All right, let's go ahead and do surprises.
All right, here's the results. I'm going to ask you all to do me a favor. If you're liking these videos, do me a favor and visit our YouTube channel and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Ring that bell for notifications in the future. Mitch Sanders really got into the smallies. You can see he found them. As far as I know, I think there's only 2 other smallmouth caught. It was a slugfest. 94 people caught 399 fish. What a great tournament. Thanks guys for watching.